Nestled high in Morocco's Rif Mountains lies a city unlike any other. Chefchaouen, often called the Blue Pearl, captivates visitors with its enchanting beauty. Founded in 1471, this magical city has a rich history and a vibrant culture. Chefchaouen's location, tucked away in a valley, adds to its allure. The city seems to rise from the mountains, its blue hues a stark contrast to the rugged landscape. For centuries, Chefchaouen was a well-kept secret, hidden from the outside world. Today, Chefchaouen welcomes travelers from all corners of the globe. People come to experience its charm, to get lost in its labyrinthine streets, and to uncover the secrets of its mesmerizing blue shades. The most striking feature of Chefchaouen is, undeniably, its blue color. Buildings, walls, and even staircases are painted in various shades of blue, creating a surreal and captivating atmosphere. But why is Chefchaouen blue? Several theories attempt to explain this unique characteristic. One popular belief is that the blue color was introduced by Jewish refugees who arrived in the city in the 15th century. For them, blue represented the sky and heaven, serving as a reminder of God's presence. Another theory suggests that the blue hues were intended to repel mosquitoes, as these insects are less attracted to lighter colors. Regardless of its origins, the blue color has become an integral part of Chefchaouen's identity, attracting artists, photographers, and dreamers alike. Wandering through Chefchaouen's Medina is a feast for the senses. Narrow, winding alleys lead to hidden squares, each corner revealing a new surprise. The blue-washed buildings, adorned with colorful flower pots and intricate doorways, create a picturesque backdrop. The air is filled with the scents of spices, fresh bread, and mint tea. Local artisans display their crafts, from hand-woven textiles to intricate metalwork. The sounds of traditional music blend with the chatter of locals and the laughter of children playing. As you explore the Medina, be sure to look up and admire the intricate details of the buildings. Many feature beautiful balconies, carved wooden doors, and colorful mosaics. The architecture reflects a blend of Andalusian, Islamic, and Berber influences, creating a unique and harmonious style. The heartbeat of Chefchaouen. Beyond its stunning beauty, Chefchaouen offers a glimpse into the authentic way of life in the Rif Mountains. The people of Chefchaouen are known for their warm hospitality and their strong sense of community. Daily life in Chefchaouen revolves around the rhythm of the Medina. Early mornings see shopkeepers opening their stores while locals gather in cafes to enjoy their morning coffee. The atmosphere is relaxed and unhurried, a welcome change from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Take the time to interact with the locals, even if it's just a simple greeting in Arabic. You'll find that they are eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. Section 5: Chefchaouen's Treasures, Unveiling the Gems. Chefchaouen offers a myriad of experiences for every traveler. No visit to the Blue City is complete without exploring its hidden gems. Venture beyond the Medina to discover the natural beauty surrounding the city. A short hike leads to the Ras el-Ma waterfall, a popular spot for locals to cool off during the hot summer months. The sound of cascading water and the lush greenery create a tranquil oasis. For those seeking panoramic views, a climb to the Spanish Mosque offers breathtaking vistas of the city and the surrounding mountains. Immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting the Kasbah Museum, housed in a 15th century fortress. Here, you can learn about the history of Chefchaouen and the Rif region. Don't miss the opportunity to haggle for souvenirs in the bustling souks, where you'll find everything from spices and textiles to pottery and leather goods. Chefchaouen is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where the beauty of nature blends seamlessly with the artistry of man. So come, lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Blue City, and let its magic captivate your soul.